How to apply Tesco Club Card online. So first of all, go to Google and search for Tesco like this. Now click on the first results. Now after you open the website, click on register. Now after that, make sure to fill all the boxes. Type here your email address and here your password, and make sure your password meet all the requirements that they tell you to do. Now scroll down and select the I would like to join Club Card today. Now select your title from this. Now type your first name, your last name. Now after that, enter your phone number and make sure to use your number. This makes the best use a mobile number. And now enter your address and create the account. Now after you create your account, now I will show you how to get a new card. Now log in into your My Account page on Tesco. Go to My Club Card section and select Order a New Club Card. Now click on the Order a Plastic Club Card link at the bottom of the page. In the pop-up box, click on the Order a Plastic Club Card button. And after that, select a reason and click Confirm Reason. And after that, verify and confirm your address. And that's it. Your new card and key for will arrive within 10 working days. Thank you for watching.